Once upon a time in the vibrant heart of Jamaica, in a bustling little town where the sun kissed the earth with fiery passion, lived Kadian, a bubbly young woman with a radiant smile and a heart full of dreams. She sold cosmetics by day, her stall bursting with colors and scents that reflected her lively attitude, but her days yearned for something more, something emotional and true. One bright afternoon, as the market buzzed with life, Ricardo, a rugged mechanic with hands were at art to behold by years of fixing engines, pulled up in his well-used but loved motorcycle. His eyes, sharp and warm like the Caribbean sun, caught sight of Kadian's stall. Drawn by her energy, he approached, offering a crooked grin that made her heart flutter. Their worlds chirped like birds in a fruit tree. Ricardo's rough exterior hid a gentle human, and Kadian's bright laugh hid depths of passion waiting to ignite. They talked, danced around each other's stories, their words weaving a tapestry of connection. Ricardo's voice was deep and soothing, and Kadian's eyes sparkled with a fire that matched the island's energy. That night, beneath the glow of the moon and the rhythm of reggae, Ricardo took her hand and whispered, "Kadian, me heart beat for you like the drums of the festival, intense and unending." With a passion that shook the very ground they stood on, she responded with a fierce embrace, feeling the kind of love that makes everything else fade away. From that moment, their love burned brighter than the Caribbean sun, passionate, fiery, relentless. Ricardo fixed more than engines. He mended her yearning heart, and Kadian's laughter became the melody of his life. Together, they proved that true love, born in the heart of Jamaica's vibrant streets, can become the most powerful force of all, intense, happy, and utterly unstoppable.